Hello everyone, McLendon2 here, and today I'm showing you a video collection of all my Thomas Wooden Railway items I own. And it would just be only Thomas Wooden Railway, not rolling stock. That I only use rolling stock and some rear engines like this. And custom engines for this brand will not be used, like my Blue Nose character for season 2 of my Wooden Railway series, so just Thomas Wooden Railway, so let's do it. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Emily, Rosie, Charlie, Stanley, Mavis, Bill, Ben, Diesel, Stepney, Billy, Harry, Bert, Lady, Splatter, Dodge, Diesel 10, Fergus, Arthur, Murdoch, Dennis, Neville, Whiff, Hank, Flora, Sydney, Norman, Paxton, Flynn, Dart, Den, Bell, Scruff, Ferdinand, Dash, Bash, Hero, Winston, Stafford, Stephen, Connor, Caitlin, Porter, Gator, Marion, Ryan, D199, Logan, Flying Scotsman, and Timothy the Ghost Engine. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Scolari, Reneus, Peter Sam, Rusty, Duncan, Fearless Freddy, Luke, Mighty, Mac, Millie, Victor, Smudger, and Proteus. Here are my roadway, water and air vehicles: Bertie, Terence, Jack, Max, Monty, Isabella, Nelson, Madge, Kevin, Captain, and Harold. Next lot, here's the next lot very quickly. This is unscripted, by the way. And here are my coaches: Annie, Clarabelle, Henrietta, Old Slow Coach, the Express Coaches, Flora's Tram, and the Duke and Duchess of Boxford's coach. Here are my trucks: Scruffy, Rickety, Hector, the Giggling Troublesome Truck, the Green China Clay Truck with a face, 2 NWR Shipping Co. boxcars, and yes, I know they're not a Thomas Wooden Railway like, but they still count as Thomas Rolling Stock in my opinion. The oil car, the coal car, the cargo car with coal, the furniture car, the chicken cars, the boxcar's got a face, 2 hand cars, a cargo car without any cargo, 2 cargo cars with cargo, the Dino Fossil car, the Fossil car, and the Honey car. Here are my brake fans and cabooses: Toad, the Northwest brake fan or the Spikefoot brake fan, the Soda Line caboose, the Musical caboose, and the Winter caboose. Here are my cranes: Rocky and Cranky. Here are my figures: the Fat Controller, and the dinosaur skeleton which was in the Dino Fossil car. Okay, here's the last part of the collection, and these are my extra engines. Another Thomas, Learning Curve CGI Face Thomas, Gold Dust Thomas, Soda Day Thomas, Lights and Sounds Thomas, Thomas Comes to Breakfast, Paint Splattered Thomas, Thomas and the Bees, Battery Powered Thomas, Gold Thomas, Tired Face Edward, Custom Made Henry C's Red, New Style Percy, Talking Railway Series Percy, Battery Powered Percy, Silver Percy, 2014 Duck, 2014 Duck in its packaging, 2014 Oliver, Blue Ben, Brahms Diesel, Talking Railway Series Molly with no tender, Gold Dust Salty, Talking Railway Series Salty, Big City Engine with no tender, Custom Made Burnt Up or Spencer's Death Model. I know, I'm dull. Talking Railway Series Spencer, Surprise Face Spencer, Soda Day Stanley, Early Engineer Stanley, Patchwork Hero, Battery Powered Charlie, Knockoff Scarloey, White Wheel Linnaeus, Old Style Peter Sam, who's right now still disguised as Zorin, Duke without the tender, and Captain without the water on him. So that there was my whole Thomas Wooden Railway collection, from engines to extra engines. I do hope to get more in the future, or like the end of 2015, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is Mick Lenden 2 saying goodbye.